With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is the angular frequency of damped oscillator is given by omega is under root k minus m minus r square 4m square, where k is the spring constant, m is the mass of oscillator, r is the damping constant. If r square divided by mk is 8%, the change in the period compared to undamped oscillator is A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find which option is correct here. So the solution of this question is, we have given the angular frequency omega is under root, this is k, spring constant, m is mass, minus r square, r is the damping constant here, and this is 4 times of m square. So we can write here k is constant, that is spring constant here, spring constant, and r is damping, r is damping constant here, and we have m is mass here, and we can write here, from this we can write here angular frequency is equals to initial angular frequency, that is omega 0, and we have taken the terms common here, and this is left with 4 times of m into k here. So from this we can write here our angular frequency initially, so this is k by m, and from this we can write here t0 time period is equals to 2 pi divided by omega 0. So this will equals to t is, from this we can write it t is 2 pi divided by omega. So from this we have the t is equals to t0, and this is under root here, and this is in here 1 minus r square minus 4 times of m and k here. So on solving this we get time period t is equals to t0, and this is here we can write this as 1 minus t is equals to, and this is 1 minus, so we can write this as t0, and this is in multiplication with, as we have written the denominator here, so this will equals to 1 plus, if it will become 1 8 here, it is given to us, if it is 8%, if the ratio of r square mk is 8% here, so we can write here r 1 by 8 r square and mk, so this is 8% here. So from this we can write here t minus t0 and divided by t, so this will equals to 1 by 8 into r square divided by m into k, mass into spring constant. So from this t minus t0, and this is divided by t, and this is multiplication with 100, so this will equals to, it is given to us 1 by 8, and this is 8% here. So from this we can write here this is equals to 1%, as it is positive, so this must be increased, so our answer is increased by 1% here. So this is our answer for the question. Now we check which option is correct here for the increase. So our option A is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.